We recently talked about diverticulitis on the channel. Did you watch it? Diverticulitis is an inflammation of the internal walls of the intestine. It is mainly characterized by the formation of small bulging cysts and sacs, called diverticula, that get inflamed and cause the disease. Thinking about it, we decided to talk about some of the natural medicines that can help with diverticulitis. To fight diverticulitis and calm the intestine, you can drink some teas that improve digestion and are rich in phytochemicals that act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, helping recover the intestinal walls and preventing crisis. See some teas, supplements, and recipes that you can use to treat this disease. Caribbean trumpet tree tea. In a recent video, we talked about the benefits of the Caribbean trumpet tree. Do you know this tea and its benefits? Watch the suggested video if you want to learn more about it. It has anti-inflammatory properties and is known for treating infections by stimulating the immune system and fighting bacteria. Write down the ingredients. 1/2 tablespoon Caribbean trumpet tree leaves, 1 cup boiling water. Pour the boiling water over the herb, close the cup with the lid, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Drink 2 cups a day. Ginger and carcaja tea. Ginger improves blood circulation, reduces gastrointestinal symptoms, and calms the intestine, which is good for treating and preventing diverticulitis. Carcaja improves intestinal transit and reduces gas, which facilitates digestion and prevents the diverticula from getting inflamed. To make this tea, add 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of carcaja to 1 cup of boiling water. Let it rest for 10 minutes, then strain and drink. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Chamomile and valerian tea. Chamomile calms the intestine and reduces gas, while valerian relaxes the intestine and fights the spasms that cause pain. To make this tea, you need 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile leaves, 1 tablespoon of dried valerian leaves, and 17 ounces of water. Combine the dried leaves and water in a pot. Close the lid and let it boil for 10 minutes. Strain and drink at least 2 cups a day. Cat's claw tea. In a recent video, we also talked about the benefits of cat's claw tea. Did you watch it? Cat's claw tea has a lot of different uses and is good for women's health. This tea also helps treat gastritis and diverticulitis, strengthens the immune system, and repairs intestinal cells. To make it, you need 2 tablespoons of cat's claw bark and roots and 34 ounces of water. Boil the ingredients for 15 minutes, turn off the heat, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Strain and drink every 8 hours. Besides these teas, you should also follow the nutritional orientations for diverticulitis and use the medications recommended by a gastroenterologist. Try it, then share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.